Hello. Never mind. Hello. No, I'm sorry. It's a gift. This. Guys, you find this. This. You will see in the treasure box. It's 400. Never mind. Hello. Mr. Nice, eto. Try mo. ID number. Hello. Hi, Lola. You don't want to try, Kali? Ciao, baka. Hello. Kapag pagod na. Ang pilapil. I just stopped by. I'll see you next. Okay. It's okay. Gusto ko magsumbong sa'yo. Pagod na. Pagod na ko. Hi, Robot. Robot, what are you doing? Thank you, Kali. Robot, how are you? Dark Soul, hello. Dark Soul, hello. I am fine. Do you have WhatsApp, Robot? Do you have the WhatsApp? Dark Soul, hello. Have. Can you send it to me in the inbox so I will message you there? Chris, you send your WhatsApp to me, Chris. You have William Rice, hello. Do you have Robot? You send it in the inbox. Chris, send mo yung WhatsApp mo. Galunggong, hello. Guys, you send in the inbox. Your WhatsApp. Okay, later I send. Okay. You have work today? Are you working now, Robot? Or no? Mysterious Man, hello. Yes, no. Oh, that's why. It's okay, Robot. You send it later, so I will add you. Ronel, hello. Tama pa ba? Robot, do you know Dragon Baboy? Minsan, gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Kapag pagod na ako. You know that, the Dragon Bubble?